If you have a house in Howland, Ohio, and you want to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Howland, Ohio. And the reason people like working with us is we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. So what that means is you don't got to fix anything, you don't got to clean anything, and you don't got to haul anything away to sell your house in Howland, Ohio. We will buy the house in its true as-is condition. And what allows us to buy the house as is we're not relying on a bank or a lender. We're a true as-is cash buyer, so there's no thorough inspections and there's no appraisers or appraisals, and we're able to close on the date of your choice. You don't got to haul anything away either. You can take with you anything that you want out of the house, and anything that you don't want or don't need, you can simply leave behind. This is the opposite. This is the easy button. Sometimes when you're working with these traditional buyers, if they're working with a mortgage lender or a bank, well, there's going to be a thorough inspection, and they're going to scrutinize the house and test every outlet and test every light switch and test every ceiling fan and open and close the windows and the doors, compile pages and pages of everything wrong with the house, and then they'll probably use this to try to renegotiate with you or get a discount. And that's typically what happens. And then if you survive the inspection, it gets worse because they send the appraiser through there, and the appraiser can pull the rug out from this thing at any time. Complete waste of time for you, send you back to square one, and all of this is avoidable by just selling to a local cash buyer. We buy houses in Howland, Ohio. We've been around for over 14 years. We have tons of referrals and references and testimonials and great reviews, and we're going to be able to work with you as well. So if you have a house in Howland and you want to get a cash offer, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And I know it says Columbus in the website. We were founded in Columbus, but we're very familiar with Howland and Youngstown and the whole state of Ohio. We're Ohio locals. We're not a call center. So we're not located in some foreign distant land and sending you random text messages. I get the same text that you probably do, right? And the cold calls, we want to buy your house. They've never been to Howland, Ohio, I promise you, right? We're here, we're local. We're going to treat you fair like a local deserves to be treated. And we're never going to apply any pressure. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on the house. If our offer works for you, great, we'll move forward. If our offer does not work for you, we'll simply shake hands, part as friends, and move on. We're never going to create some fake urgency or leave a bad taste in your mouth. So if you have a house in Howland and you want to sell fast, easy, and for a fair price, give us a call, 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.